So you want to learn how to ruin your art with your people-pleasing skills? Welcome! This tutorial is for you. First, you might be asking yourself, why would you want to ruin your artwork? And this brings us to your first lesson. You don't. You want to make something beautiful and amazing. Maybe you even want to make people happy with your art, or maybe you want them to just feel something with your art. So if this is how you feel, amazing, you already accomplished your first step. Ruining your artwork accidentally is the key to this humbling experience that you're trying to create for yourself. Lesson 2, expect to impress people. Stop making art for yourself. Make art for others, and most importantly, try to please them. I can't promise you're gonna get any likes and follows by doing this, but I can promise you that the disappointment from unmet expectations is the character building moment you are looking for. So I had this really cool idea for a drawing, idea of like hands going towards an eye. I was super excited for this drawing because I wanted it to be really awesome for my portfolio. So I want it to be part of my portfolio and I wanted it to look really cool on my Instagram. So yeah, mixed motivations there. Lesson 3, choose a very hard and time-consuming technique to create your artwork with. Never choose the easy way, even if it's a better way. I mean, how else do you plan to work while they sleep? Also, you gotta work really hard to deserve the best spot in heaven.
Damn it!
Oh, you don't believe in heaven? Neither do I. This is just some religious trauma. We all have it. So in summary, always choose the hardest way possible of finishing a task. Never the easy way. That is the only way you will feel like you deserve anything good in life. Now, as an expert in this lesson, I want to show you I chose to do this drawing with this stippling technique, which is where you basically add a bunch of dots to create the shadows in your drawing. And jokes aside, I actually really love this technique, even if it takes so long. I love the effect and how delicate it looks. But it just takes forever. I had to take a little break to bring my sister to do her nails and stuff, but I did bring my pen and my drawing, so I'm just gonna practice here in the car a little bit if I don't die of heat. It's like 1,000,000 degrees in here. I'm gonna have to go inside. Julia, da oi. Lesson 4, and this one is one of the most important ones. The more you follow the step, the more you will ruin your artwork and your art career. So pay attention. Always use your fear of people's judgment to evaluate what is good art and what is bad art. I mean, we all know that someone will always love our artworks, even if it's shit for us. Someone always likes it. But who cares about them? You need to be liked by everyone. So make sure you always focus on the people that you think will not like your artwork. Never follow your gut, only follow your fears. Now this is where I started questioning if my artwork looked too creepy or scary for other people. And I wanted to make it more good vibes. See the problem? And I wanted to make the eye into a galaxy because I thought it was a cool idea to like turn the drawing into hands reaching for our dreams inside of our eyes or something like that, you know what I mean? So I think the idea was good, but the execution, not my best moment. It just didn't look as good as I thought in my head, and at some point I think it made it look even creepier, which I should have just accepted it. Like I should have just went with the creepy, but I was afraid that people would judge my art even more.
This is case number 47G, everyone versus everyone.
Anyway, then guess what I did? Lesson 5. If you start liking your artwork, you are entering very dangerous ground. This can boost your confidence and you can start feeling like you're actually good at what you're doing. So just keep working on your artwork until you ruin it and there's nothing else that you could possibly do to save it. Yep, I decided to color it, even though I was actually happy with what my drawing was looking like, but you know, why just leave something as it is when you're liking it, right? Yeah, so I wanted to make it colorful because I thought it would look less creepy. Lesson 6, very important. Never practice on a side paper first, especially if you have new materials that you're not very familiar with. Always go ahead and try it out for the first time on your artwork that you already spent a lot of hours on. This is the time to be confident. This is the time to think that you are really good at what you're doing. Leave your insecurities to the rest of the process. I don't have much experience with color pencils, that's the truth. Like I only played with it like by myself, but I never did any classes. I never really watched any like professionals do it, so I wasn't guesstimation mode. And I don't know if you can see it, but when I paint with the colored pencil, the black ink is like smudging on the paper, which defeats the purpose of spending a million hours doing stippling. Like, it just ruined that delicate effect of the stippling. Lesson 7. Don't stop when you're tired. You need to finish this today. Who said you need to finish this today? You did. Well, what's gonna happen if you don't finish this today? Nothing. That's exactly why you should never stop when you're tired. The more tired you are, the higher the chances of you ruining your artwork. So it's really important to be tired. And also keep making decisions when you're tired. Those are always your best choices if you want to ruin your art. Like, I lost the dots. They became just a bunch of ink mixed together on a paper. And to make it worse, I decided to add some stars around everything, you know, because who doesn't love stars? If you're trying to please people, just add some stars.
Failure.
So I ruined the one thing that was still going on for me, which was the contrast. So now the drawing doesn't have enough contrast, and the eyes that I actually wanted to be the center of attention, now you don't even see it almost, because it's just like mixed together with all these million elements, and you just like, it's just distracting. Hey, quick question. Are you really an artist? I mean, do you even know how to make art? Oh, don't be sad, sweetie. You can always get a different job. You know, maybe something that doesn't require any talent. Lesson 9. Realize how stupid you are being and that your art does not define who you are. Who cares if you ruin your artwork? And did you even ruin it? What if someone actually likes the way it is? Honestly, I bet someone still think that your artwork is pretty cool. I bet some of you will think my drawing looks pretty cool even though I hate it. You're the only one who has power to decide if you are an artist or not. No one can tell you otherwise. Now, after you get out of this hole of self-doubt and criticism, you get to choose to start the cycle again from lesson 1. Or you can do this in a different way and not follow any of the steps. Do you want a tutorial on how to do the opposite way? So do I. But let's not give up yet. We are not giving up. Just always remember to believe in your art. Sounds so easy, doesn't it? Even if you hate what you create, keep doing it, keep creating it, keep sharing it. Maybe we should help each other, and like, if you guys want, you can leave in the comments your username. We all can visit each other's pages and leave awesome comments and likes. Let's do that. I want to see all your drawings. So if you're watching this, leave your Instagram down below and I will visit you. Now, to wrap this up, as a wise person always said, opinions are like assholes and everyone's got one, but we don't want to see it. We don't want to see each other's assholes. Only from special people in our lives. Now, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'm actually doing a giveaway tomorrow. Woohoo! I am giving away an amazing 1-year breaking subscription to Skillshare, okay? 1 year of amazing creative online classes, including mine, for free, okay? So if you subscribe to my channel, you already have a chance to win. And a random person is going to be drawn, is that how you say it? From my subscribers. And I will share the winner tomorrow, Friday, which is Christmas Eve. It's a Christmas miracle. Anyway, like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and I will see you next week. Bye.